I am Tolga Ançoğlu in Turkey.
And I'm Atlas Çoğlu. We are the designers of the Lego Microtonal Guitar.
And I'm Ruşencan Acet, the builder of Microtonal Guitar.
I'm a professor, doctor at Istanbul Technical University. I've been playing guitar, especially classical guitar, for 30 years. There are several reasons for the motivation of the microtonal guitar concept. Of course, the main motivation is I would like to play my own music. I live in Turkey, and the traditional music of Turkey is microtonal. Then I would like to play Indian music, Balinese music. So there are many microtonal traditional musics across the globe. My son Atlas has this idea 3 years ago when he was 7. So he gave me the idea in our living room when he was playing with Lego.
I just saw the fretboard and tried to make the fretboard out of Lego.
So he gave me the idea, and it was a fantastic idea. One day at the university, I was talking to my student Ruşencan Acet. He's doing PhD at sound engineering, but he's an amazing luthier as well, and he's a mechanical engineer. So I asked Ruşen, Atlas gave me this idea, Lego Microtonal Guitar, but we couldn't do it.
When Tolgahan came to me with this idea and he asked me if we can build this guitar, I just say yes, yeah, we can do that. And I took the guitar to home. Almost 1 year, I was just like turning around and sometimes thinking of the Lego Microtonal Guitar. But then when I thought about 3D printing technology and just combining that with these Legos, it was very helpful for us to finalize the project.
When I first saw the microtonal guitar made out of Legos, simply stuck on top of a guitar fretboard, I thought, this is perfect. The fact that you can take a instrument that's pretty much made its way everywhere and put this, put a set of Legos on it and turn it into something that is more difficult to produce and to find, I thought it was just genius.
When I first played that microtonal guitar, I was really excited and I couldn't sleep that night because of excitement.
As a designer, this is such a great design because when you see it, you know how to use it. You immediately imagine what you can do with it. And it's not the tool enforcing you how to use it. You put your Lego blocks on your guitar here and there and see what happens. If it's amazing, that's great. If it's not, you can go ahead and quickly change it again. And I think that's the real beauty of the microtonal guitar.
You can revolutionize the standard guitar education by expanding the horizon by including the microtonal scales and microtonal harmony, which is new for the music theory.
Because of Georgia Tech School of Music and the Guthman competition, I now have this beautiful microtonal guitar that I can explore and learn about, add whatever knowledge I have, and then send that knowledge back out into the world.
How do you create new interfaces, new products, where they empower users to customize their own environment, their own use cases, and so on, rather giving them the tools they need to achieve their goals, not the solution to that. I think microtonal guitar is a first step into that direction in terms of how we can design the guitar.
It's fun talking to my dad about guitars. We realize that we have great ideas and we make them come to real life. I mean, it's like a dream come true.